My name is Dale Small, and I am the Envision art assistant. I'm a WSU grad. I started as an art student in 2012. One thing that has always been important for me, and a lot of the work that I've done as an artist, is been about bringing visibility to people who may or may not have always had access, or even just the privilege to be in, the spotlight. We started planning the workshop, and I really took a lot of the inspiration for the Envision Your Story workshop from, those kind of tenets we formed about people who are experiencing something like they are the most active participant in their own lives. They should be the one to tell their story, not anybody else.
I didn't realize how much art has transformed me into the person that I am now. Before I walked into Envision, I was really insecure because of how clumsy I was and not really understanding my visual impairment. And being around my art crew, I made a whole bunch of new friends that not only had the same diagnosis as me, but was thriving in spite of it. And so it kind of gave me the confidence to move forward with my life and to know that just because you're visually impaired doesn't mean that you're disabled.
And so working with them has inspired me to be more willing to express myself and work more intentionally with the things that I want to do, not only as a person or as a professional, but an artist as well. It's kind of opened up a world for me to feel more confident.